Okay, this is my submission for the W3 Schools SQL Learning Profile submission. Okay, so start by logging into W3 Schools here. And then from here, we come down to browse all tutorials, and there it is, SQL, 100%. Got all the lessons and the quiz. But besides that, I do not have any experience with databases like this. I really didn't even know what SQL was before starting this class. Um, I have used W3 Schools in the past. I've used it for Python and HTML and CSS. So I'm pretty experienced with W3 Schools, but yeah, pretty much brand new to SQL. Um, I think that about wraps it up. Yep. Alrighty. Thank you.